simple remedy of using good earplugs for sleeping with the snorer can be effective if your earplugs are well designed. The best earplugs for sleeping with the snorer are those that are comfortable to wear and fit well, don't fall out and do reduce the noise. Yes, earplugs really can block out snoring. Some people seem to think that the level of decibels doesn't matter. This is a misconception. It's not just those whose sleeping partner snores loudly, but also for those whose sleep quality is affected by any kind of noise, such as night flying. Of course, some people must not block out the noise. For instance, if you need to listen out for a sleeping child or a baby. Earplugs reduce the level of noise reaching your eardrums and can block out loud snoring. Focus on the noise reduction rate when looking for your best earplugs. If your sleeping partner snores very loudly or under the flight path of an airport, you may need to reduce the level of sound by about 32 decibels.